I'm KG Charles Harris. I'm the CEO of Emmanuel. We develop and sell business intelligence, data mining, data integration, and B2B connectivity software for mid-sized businesses all the way down to small. So our target market is really businesses from 50 million to about 1 billion. This is a market that is largely underserved. The large players have moved primarily towards the large companies, Fortune 500 companies. We focus on giving mid-sized companies the same functionality and the ability to compete with that. One of the things that I think is very important to understand in this market is that most mid-sized companies are resource constrained. And being resource constrained, they have a small IT staff, they have smaller IT budgets, and therefore that places demands on the software which it doesn't place on the software of larger companies or companies that sell to larger companies. So the software has been configured in such a way that it takes minutes to hours to install and configure rather than weeks to months. And it's consulting light, so you don't need to hire a team of consultants to come in and do it for you. I believe that the mid-sized market is going to become more competitive as the larger players have essentially eaten up all the grass in their markets. And so they will have to change their business models or acquire companies that target the mid-sized market in order to approach them. Their business model that they have today is too high cost to be able to scale down. And as a result, they need to acquire tools that are able to do this. There's a large underserved market. In addition, there is a significant trend towards software as a service or on-demand models. And being in the on-demand space, you need to be able to deliver software that's going to enable companies to make it even easier to get up and running on the software.